But we have arguably one of the highest number of out-of-school children in the world. You mentioned recently that President Tinubu has directed the return of 10.5 million out-of-school children to school at the expiration of his tenure. The first question is, where is government getting its numbers from? Because according to a 2022 UNESCO report, that figure is approximately 20 million that are not enrolled in schools. So are we on the same page here?
Well, the actual figure regarding children out of school is still a bit of a moving target. And we in the ministry, having come in now, we are putting in place measures to be sure we have reasonably accurate figures with regards to the number of children. But at the moment, what we have as the official statistics on it is about 10.5 to 11 million. Those other agencies like UNICEF that is parading or mentioning 20 million, I don't know the data they used. And so it's not something that we can plan with. But certainly, whether it is 10 million or 20 million or anything in between is unacceptable. That number is almost the population of another country, or many countries for that matter. So it's not good for us as a country to have that figure. And the president being so concerned about the well-being of every Nigerian, he wants us to account for the education level and the occupational level of every Nigerian is concerned about it. And it is therefore one of the 8 priority areas which he directed that the Education Ministry and other agencies which have some responsibility in this regard, work on to ensure that sooner than later we eliminate it. And as a fact, that there are multiple agencies in Nigeria, even in the Ministry of Education, can count at least about 3 or so, if not more. We have MASCOM agency, we have UBEC, and quite a number of them that have, as part of their mandate, policies that will reduce, if not eliminate, the out-of-school children. And there's also another one which was passed, the law for which was passed in the last days of the last administration, which is the Almajiris and the out-of-school children, specifically on this matter. And sooner we are already making steps. We've gone very far to ensure that that agency takes off very, very soon. And well, it's a problem that we cannot have too much attention on it. And